The Talkin Parrot has helped bring down a major drugs operation after a gang member taught the pet how to say phrases used by dealers like 2 for 25. The bird was discovered when police raided homes in Blackpool, and where officers also seized large amounts of heroin and cocaine.
2 for 25.
Ringleader Adam Garnett, 35, ran the gang from inside prison from 2023 to 2024. A search of his cell uncovered phones which had videos showing kilo blocks of drugs and footage of his girlfriend's pet, Mango, talking and playing with drugs money. After Garnett's cell search, police identified his next in command, where his girlfriend Shannon Hilton, 29, of no fixed address, Dalbia Sandhu, 41, of Beach Road, Cleeves, and Jason Gerrand, 50, of Shaw Road, Thornton, Cleeves. A video on Hilton's phone revealed her laughing as she taught the bird to say 2 for 25 in front of a child. Sandhu's phone revealed he kept a record of in his notes of his dealings, including price lists and transactions, Lancashire police said. He was also found to have researched and sent links to stories discussing county lands to his contacts. Despite being in prison, Garnett had communication channels with practically all members of the gang he controlled, the force said. Videos found on the phone of another gang member, Gareth Burgess, 45, of Leighton Buzzard, Bedfordshire, but formerly of Blackpool, showed him walking through the resort carrying a significant amount of cash and rapping about his criminality. A total of 15 gang members pleaded guilty at Preston Crown Court to drug offences between February 2023 and July 2024. Garnett was sentenced to 19 years and 6 months, while Hilton was handed a 12-year jail term and Sandhu was sentenced to 10 years. Gerrand was sentenced to 8 years and 3 months, and Burgess was jailed for 7 years and 4 months. Chloe Stott and Ryan Black were sentenced in their absence as they failed to appear at court for sentencing, and a warrant is now out for their arrest. Stott, 24, of Langdale Road, Blackpool, was sentenced to 7 years, while Black, 27, of Jameson Street, Blackpool, was sentenced to 5 years. Detective Sergeant Anthony Alves said inquiries are ongoing to locate Chloe Stott and Ryan Black, who both failed to appear at court. If you see them or you know where they may be, I would encourage you to let us know. We will continue to dismantle these gangs, whether they are operating behind bars or otherwise. Please like this video, please comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
2 for 25.
They've got a what was it? Safe. I've only got the safe on me. Pot needles in a joint. I'm walking through Claremont with 3 grand like I'm a next leather. Because I don't give a £800. I was distraught. But I've got that thing and it's ready to go. And it's ready for anyone that wants to know.